Okay guys, this video is going to be about adjusting dishes and how to set up for it. We're currently up here at Laughlin Ridge, and the dish in question is going to be the Caddo Peak Diversity dish, which is this one right here. And when you're first initially installing the dishes, you can connect a spectrum analyzer right to the back of it to do the aiming, but once it's in service and has the waveguide connected to it, it's not practical to try and take it apart and insert a spectrum analyzer in it. So what you have to do is you have to hook up a spectrum analyzer down at the equipment end, and then have someone relay with a handy talkie your results. So I'm going to show you today how you can do it a little bit different using a wireless spectrum analyzer. So let's come on in here, have a look at what we got. So here's the radio, and what we're looking at is the diversity dish, which, you come and look, comes in over here and then comes back in on this side, and that dish feeds the B receiver here. So what we've done is unscrewed the input, and using a barrel connector, now we're going into our spectrum analyzer, and we can see the signal, and we have a nice little measurement there. And at this point, we would be on our handy talkie and we'd be calling out levels going up and down. But we won't have to do this on this particular case, because if you look at our spectrum analyzer, it has a wireless Wi-Fi router on it. And let's see what that's going to get us out there by the tower. Alright, so we're out here, and here's my laptop. And what do you know, there's a spectrum analyzer display right there where I can see plain as day. Here's a look at our setup, how we're doing it. And yeah, we're totally hands-free and wireless. So up the tower it can go. And now the technicians can look at the display themselves and not have to rely on someone relaying the levels up. But there you go. It's a great program, and it's really easy to use. And you can completely control all the functions on it. All right, that's going to be it for today. Thanks.